Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Welcome to Doraemon Future Department Store, DiverCity Tokyo Plaza. The store boasts a vast array of Doraemon-themed products, from plush toys and figures to apparel and unique gadgets inspired by the series, making it a treasure trove for collectors and fans alike. Beyond shopping, visitors can engage with interactive exhibits, such as the Secret Gadget Lab, where they can explore Doraemon's world and even use iconic gadgets like the Take-Copter to simulate flying. Guests have the opportunity to personalize souvenirs, including towels embroidered with their names alongside Doraemon images, adding a unique touch to their memorabilia. Situated just outside the store, this installation features a large clock that delights visitors with hourly shows from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m., where Doraemon and his friends come to life dancing and interacting with the audience. Nestled within DiverCity Tokyo Plaza, the store is part of a larger entertainment complex, allowing visitors to combine their Doraemon experience with shopping, dining, and other attractions in the vibrant Odaiba district. Please like, share, and subscribe. When it comes to Tokyo Odaiba, besides the seaside views and the Gundam statue, there is another place that makes both kids and adults squeal with excitement: the Doraemon Future Department Store. This is the world's only official permanent Doraemon shop, tucked away on the second floor of DiverCity Tokyo Plaza, and stepping inside feels just like entering a secret gadget warehouse straight out of the story. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The Doraemon Future Department Store opened in Odaiba at the end of 2019 and is officially recognized as the world's only permanent Doraemon flagship store. Its concept was created to let fans step into Doraemon's gadgets and futuristic world in real life. Inside, you will find not only exclusive merchandise and stylish, everyday items for adults, but also customization services and the unique future mail that lets you send messages to your future self. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Every corner is filled with thoughtful details and little surprises, making it a reliable choice whether you are traveling with family, planning a date, or visiting as a devoted fan, and it fits perfectly into an Odaiba one-day itinerary. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.